Hey everyone, I'm Earl Duque, Senior Developer Advocate here at ServiceNow. Over the next several topic-focused videos, I'll be focused on talking to you about building with the ServiceNow SDK and building with Claude Code. So if you've been building ServiceNow apps the traditional way, like via Studio or ServiceNow Studio, in a browser, clicking through forms, this series is for you. We're going to go from zero to deploying full apps, all from your local machine, all through code. Okay, so here's what's happening right now. ServiceNow open sourced a set of build skills that let coding agents like Claude Code create native ServiceNow apps the way a ServiceNow developer would. Your coding agent knows what platform objects to build, how to structure a scoped app, how to follow ServiceNow best practices, all without needing a browser open, all without actually being in ServiceNow, but with all the benefits of deploying an app with an integrated database, platform security, etc. You write the prompts, Claude Code writes the app, and the SDK deploys it straight to your instance for you. So across these episodes, we'll cover everything. Setting up your environment, the SDK project structure, how to write good prompts, when to use plan mode, Git workflows, deploying your app, building custom slash commands. Eventually, we'll even get into agent orchestration. And each of these episodes is about 3 minutes, short, focused, and practical. You can watch them in any order or jump to whatever is relevant to you right now. And that also means I can add episodes as you all request different topics. So if I miss anything, please let me know in the comments. All right, let's jump in.